Most of us start our mornings in a rush. We wake up, grab our phone, scroll through notifications, and before the day even begins, we're already stressed. But what if you could start your day feeling calm, clear, and ready for anything? In this video, I'm going to share a simple 5-minute routine that can totally change your mornings and improve your mental health. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. Step 1. Wake up gently. First things first, when you wake up, don't just jump out of bed. Take a moment. Stretch your arms above your head. Roll your shoulders and feel your body slowly waking up. It's such a small thing, but it tells your body, hey, we're waking up, and we're doing it calmly. Step 2. Breathe for calm. Next, let's focus on breathing. Sit comfortably or stand by a window and try the 4 to 6 method. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 and breathe out slowly for 6. Do that a few times and you'll literally feel the stress leaving your body. It's like telling your brain, we're safe, we're calm, we've got this. Step 3. Gratitude check. Now, take a moment to think of 3 things you're grateful for. It can be as simple as the sunlight in your room, the smell of your tea, or the fact that you woke up healthy. Gratitude might sound small, but it completely changes how your brain sees the day ahead. Step 4. Move your body after that. Add a little movement. You don't need to hit the gym, just do some light stretches, a few squats, or walk around while making your bed. It wakes up your muscles, gets your energy flowing, and sets a positive tone for the day. Step 5. Set your intention. Finally, as you're making your coffee or breakfast, set one small intention for the day. It could be, I'm going to stay calm no matter what, or today I'll focus on what matters most. This little mental anchor will keep you grounded, even when the day gets busy. And that's it. 5 minutes, that's all it takes to shift your mindset and start your day on the right foot. If you give this a try, you'll notice you're calmer, more focused, and more in control. Call to action. So, if you found this helpful, give the video a like. Share it with someone who might need a little morning motivation. And don't forget to subscribe for more self-care and mental wellness tips. You deserve a peaceful morning and a happy day, starting with a little kindness to yourself.